you all, daily update yourself channel. So our objective is learn something new. So now let's begin today topic.
Hello all. Today we are going to see spotting errors. Spotting errors are asking in verbal reasoning. You have to find grammatically incorrect sentences and the errors. The errors can be anything in the grammar. So focus each and every part and choose exact errors in sentence. It can be anything from noun to pronoun, singular or plural, tenses and etc. Spelling errors are not commonly asked in this section, but even though, please verify once again, it is good to scoring. So the total number of question is 10. The time allotted for per question is 15 seconds. After done each and every question, the answer and the explanatory note will be displayed on the screen. Now let's begin the quiz. The first question is the parents and their child was asked to sit while from across the table a warm smile flashed. Your time starts now. Error is in B. The explanatory note is talking about replace was with were because parents and the child it makes a plural form. Second question is Priya got a new job and she happily told everyone about them. The error is in D. The explanatory note is talking about replace by about it because Priya is talking about job. So it is the correct answer. Third question. After waiting a very long time, the man finally returned home. The error is in E. E means nothing but there is no error in the sentence. The fourth question is one of the best way of improving your English is to read the language. The error is in A. The explanatory note is talking about replace by one of the best ways because the question starts from one of the, so it must be a plural form. So one of the ways is the correct answer. Fifth question is during the interview with the general manager, I asked her what challenges she was faced. The error is in D. The explanatory note is talking about replace by she had faced or she was facing. Either one is right answer. Sixth one is no sooner had they come home, their mother lashed at them. The error is in C. The explanatory note is talking about it should be done, the mother. Whenever starts from no sooner, the end should be finished than. The seventh question is, if I got rich, I would travel around the world. The error is in A. The explanatory note is talking about if I were rich is the correct answer. As per the rule of grammar, if I were rich is the correct answer. The eighth question is, of the two great cities, the former is biggest. The error is in C. The explanatory note is talking about replace biggest by bigger is the correct answer. The ninth question is, it is not I who is to be blamed. The correct answer is B. The explanatory note is talking about replaced by me who is, because here I is the object pronoun. So me is the correct answer. The last question is, some people think that their life is full of grief and miseries, too grievous to be born. The error is in C. The explanatory note is talking about the word born should be replaced by born. The past participle form of the verb bear is born. I hope the test was help your practice. Please daily visit our channel because daily we are uploading competitive exam related quiz and it makes you take a good score in exam. And for future update, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit bell icon button. Thank you. If you like my video, please press like button and share this video to your friends and relatives. If you like my channel, please subscribe. And if for your future update, don't forget to hit bell icon button.